let's walk through one of the problems that was on the exam using hand tracing. So hand tracing is a super important skill that you need to practice with in order to do well on the exams. So you can see we have a function called main, and in that function we're going to create a variable called a and initialize it to 1, and then we will create a variable b and initialize it to 2, and create a variable c and initialize it to 3. Now I like to do my hand tracing in columns like this. And then we're going to declare a variable d, and it doesn't get an initial value. So in some programming languages it would default to 0, but not always. So we'll just say that right now it has a question mark. It could have junk in that memory location. And then on line 7 we're going to take the contents of B and store it into A. So that equal sign is the assignment operator. So take the contents of B and put it into the variable A. So B contains 2, so we'll put that into A. And I'll update A to be 2. And then on line 8 we're going to take the contents of C and put that into B. So C has 3, so we'll put that into B, so now B has 3. And then on line 9 it says take the contents of A and put it into C. So A has 2 in it, and it says to put that into C, so now C has 2 in it. Okay, so you have to go slowly, line by line, and update the variables by hand. That's hand tracing. And then on line 10 it says add the contents of A, B, and C. So add A plus B plus C, and then put the result into D. So A has a 2 in it, B has a 3 in it, and C has a 2 in it. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7. And then put that into D. So now D has 7. And then display D, so 7 will be printed. And that's how you would hand trace that.